What's up, everybody? I hope everybody's doing good. Yes, happy Vlogmas. Today I'm going to be speed cleaning the salon and kind of putting up my little decorations that I bought. I didn't really buy too much, but I did get some reindeers, my little poinsettia, and that's it. So I hope you all are doing good with y'all Vlogmas. But y'all sit back and relax and just watch me do my thing.
Booyaka, booyaka! Welcome to my channel!
Like the ones I used to know. Just like the ones I used to know. Christmas, Christmas. I'm of a white Christmas. Just like the one that you should know.
Okay, y'all. So real quick, just want to talk to y'all about what I did. So I came in, I just went around and did things that I haven't been able to do I'm in the last month or two. So I just basically went behind things and cleaned up. It's Christmas. I wanted to be refreshed. I wanted to smell good in here. Remember my previous video? I bought those reindeers. I stopped in one of the grocery stores just to see if they had the yellow poinsettias, and they did. So I was happy about that. And I'm going to show you what I did. It's not much, but I'm happy with it. If you have any ideas, because I didn't want to do too much in the room, because I really do like the way it is. I just wanted to let people know that I love Christmas, and it is what it is. But I'm going to show you what I did, and if y'all have any suggestions, when I just let me know. Hey, I just want to do something small, something nice. Happy Vlogmas type thing. So here we go, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is what I did. I thought that was pretty cool. I put that there. Remember I got these from Dollar Tree. These tree things. I got this tray from Dollar Tree as well. I need to fill that up. I'm going to fill that up tomorrow with some candy. And then I got the deer. If y'all remember my previous video, I got the deer from Target. That thing right, that little plant right there, I already had that, so I just kind of moved it from where it was, and I got that from Amazon. And so what I did over here, it is the poinsettia. I bought that in one of the grocery stores that I stopped at on the way to work. So I'm happy about that. I thought that was pretty cool and pretty nice. I'm happy with it, y'all. I don't want to do too much. That's my little salon decor. And y'all see how the reindeer kind of matched like the curtains and my little picture frame there. So yeah. So that is it, y'all. That is it. I hope y'all enjoyed my little cleaning thing, because y'all, this room was tore up. I ain't gonna lie. You know, I had get behind, y'all gotta make sure you get behind those dryers and stuff. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about my little salon Christmas decor. Decor. I thank y'all again for watching, and make sure y'all tune into my next Vlogmas. Y'all have a great night, and don't forget to subscribe, and y'all give the video a thumbs up. I thank you all for watching. Good night.